Hi, my name is Rebecca Carleen, and this is my assignment 5 over the teaching unit for my assignment 4. I didn't have any peer reviews, so I thought instead I would go ahead and touch on a revision I had to make while I was putting this particular course and module through an instructional design process. One of the revisions that I had to make and understand better was creating good course outcomes and objectives. This was something that, with me being new to the teaching world, was foreign language, and so I really had to make sure that my outcomes and my objectives were very clear in hitting the different measurable criteria. Making sure that the expectation is noted on, the level of understanding for this particular module. And so incorporating correct Bloom's taxonomy verbs and making sure that, my assessments are being measured in the correct way. And so that was a big thing for me as I went through the instructional design process for all of my courses I created last spring. I feel like there is good opportunity for the students to have self-assessment throughout the module. I provide them different activities and quizzes for them to utilize if they want, kind of a self-directed study to ensure that they're comprehending the information. I do what's called soft chalk. It's just a technology to provide different quizzes and activities for them to go through. You can have it as graded activities, but a lot of my soft chalk tools are not graded, and for them to do time and time again until they're understanding the information. I also utilize ThingLink. It is a free technology that you post a picture and then you're able to put add-ons onto your picture to help explain different concepts of the picture. I feel like that you can add different videos or links into different websites, and so for them to kind of quiz themselves over different anatomy and pathology regarding the image, and then being able to scroll over and find that information to make sure that they're on the right track and really comprehending. The assessments, the graded assessments, I do have a final assessment at the very end, but then also have them doing a infographic assignment, which I think pulls my objectives and my outcomes all together. The infographic really requires them to truly understand the information well enough to put it I guess explain it through graphics and simple text. And so this infographic is, this activity is made to create an infographic for the public's viewing. So it kind of brings in that real world aspect that they're having to inform the public about ischemic heart disease, the risks, the signs, the symptoms, how it happens, the etiology of ischemic heart disease in itself. And so that really touches on my goal. In the main goal for the module is to describe ischemic heart disease in its etiology and so forth. And so really creating this infographic requires them to do some good research and to truly understand that particular disease. So that is my assignment 4 and the revision that I had to make while doing my instructional design process. Thank you.